You can definitely tell. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Melanie, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Welcome back to an unboxing video. So today is my birthday. It's actually 10:47 in the evening. I just got back from dinner with my family, but I wanted to do an unboxing just to show you two things that I bought for myself for my birthday. If you're a subscriber, then you know that's what I do every year. I actually ended up getting two things this year, and so I'm eager to open them. I've had them at my house. Maybe one just came in yesterday and the other I've had for like a week, but I haven't opened it because I wanted to do an unboxing and I didn't want to open it until my actual birthday. So let's get into it. So the first piece is something that I bought myself. I went to the King of Prussia Mall. I wanted a piece of jewelry. I'm just really into jewelry these days. So I wanted to add to my jewelry stack, and so I went into Cartier and picked up a new bracelet. So let's see what that is. There's the bag. The bag does not actually look that nice. So I went to the store, had a nice little shopping experience, and then I've shared before that I live in Delaware, so we're tax-free shopping. So anytime I go into a state that adds tax to their shopping or purchase, whatever it is. I'm tired, guys. But I'll buy it in store and then have them ship it to me so that I don't have to pay shopping tax. So inside the bag is the travel pouch for the bracelet, and obviously my receipt and the certificate of authentication. The item. Let's open it. With it being shipped to me, it didn't lose. Okay, nope, it looks good. So I got the Cartier Love bracelet in the small size in white gold. So I already have it in the small size of the yellow gold, and then I have a Justin Clue in rose gold, and I typically wear a diamond tennis bracelet with the stack, but I decided that I want to add the white gold and the rose gold small love bracelet to my stack. So this year I decided to purchase white gold, and then hopefully next year I'll be able to purchase the rose gold for my next birthday. So we'll see how that comes together. Let me put it on. Here it is, super cute. So I think I'm gonna take the tennis bracelet off because ideally I wanted it for my everyday stack. I don't wear this tennis bracelet every day. It's typically on the weekends or if I'm getting dressed to go somewhere that I'll put it on. So my normal stack is just these two. So I thought adding the white gold to it would be super cute. I'll twist it like that. And I'm gonna lock it. So that is what that looks like. I really like the three different golds. So like I said, this is white gold, this is yellow gold, and then this is rose gold. So I think that is super cute. I'm excited to have this now as a part of my stack. And like I said, hopefully next year I will be able to get the love bracelet in the rose gold. So let's get into the other item that I got. Last week I went to Palm Springs, California. We went to the shops in Palm Desert and popped into some of the designer shops, and I ended up picking up a little something. So it was kind of funny. So obviously it's from Bottega. So the sales associate that was helping me, that I have a YouTube channel. And so he was like, okay, I'm gonna make sure that when it arrives, I'll have it like boxed up really nice so that you can do an unboxing for your channel. And then he also gave me some perfumes to try. Good Morning Midnight is one of their perfumes. I know nothing about their perfumes, so I'm interested to try. Another one is called Come With Me, but I hear good things and I've seen videos about their perfumes that people like them. Almost Dawn. Then another Almost Dawn. He gave me, this one's called Copo di Soleil, it sounds like, or looks like. And then this one is called Aqua Sail. Here's the box. I went in, I knew that I wanted this bag because I was in Miami a few months ago and I had gone in the Bottega store at the Bow Harbor shops. And I found a bag that I liked and a color that I liked, but didn't buy it at the time. So when I went in Palm Springs, I went back and asked for that same bag in the same color. So the guy showed me the bag in a number of colors, but then he pulled out this other color and said that only 20 of them have been made, and that is the max that they will sell. And he told me that only 3 people so far in the country have bought them, which I don't know if that's true or not, because then after I bought it and I went back to my hotel, I started looking it up and I saw this same color bag being sold on Nordstrom's website and Neiman Marcus. And so then I was like, if it's so exclusive and hard to get, why would they be selling it there? So now I'm just wondering if he was like selling me a dream or just trying to get the sale, which I feel like he didn't have to do because I wanted the bag anyway. So I don't know. I thought about calling customer service and asking if that's true, but either way, I still like the bag and still want it. So I'm not gonna harbor on that, but whatever. I do love it. This is the bag. Oh, can you see it good? It's such a nice leather. They have like the best leathers. It's beautiful. And so he had showed me this bag in the store, but then he was like, do you want like a new one that no one's ever touched to come from the warehouse? And so I said, yes, please. You can definitely tell the difference. It's just like so nice and fresh. It's so cute. I'm excited to have it. I don't know the name of it. Let me go. Now I gotta find the name of it so I can let you know. Inside, and I don't do silver, like I'm a gold girl, so this is adventurous for me, but there's no pockets or anything inside. There's just paper, but yeah, there's no additional pockets, but I just wanted a shoulder bag. I love a little bag that I can just throw on my shoulder and keep it pushing. So let me get the name of it. So this is called the Wallace. Yep, so that's the name of it. Isn't it cute? I felt like this could go with a lot of things, even on a weekend or regular day. So that was my point in buying this. And so those are my 2 birthday purchases. And that is it. So thanks so much for watching and take care. Bye.